how to make header in Wix 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Wix and how you're going to be making a header for yourself. Now, currently, as you can see, I already have this header over here, but let's say if there was no header, if it was deleted, if there was nothing to actually see or insinuate over here. So what you do is first of all, you go over to add section and you make sure that your header section is already there. Now, my header is there, but I want to go ahead and fill it up. I want to give it some pizzazz. I want to give it some look. So to do that, first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a navigational menu. So you go ahead and add your navigation menu first of all. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out and I'm going to bring it right here on this side, on the right side. Okay. Now, once we've done that on the left side of your header, let's go ahead and give it some images. Let's give it some, nice looks to actually work with. So you can, give it those looks by adding any type of logo. You can add any type of image. So let's say this is my logo, right? I'm gonna go ahead and make it smaller. I'm gonna bring it here, and here we have it. So that is my logo right there that I'm gonna position right here. And in these blank spaces, what you can do is you can write in any tagline or any welcome for your users. And that is basically how you're going to be making a header in Wix in 2025. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.